Hi everyone, I'm Joe and this is my cat Macho. Not here yet. We are on a world food tour from my tiny Japanese kitchen. And today is day 9. Today I'm making Shah Pilov. Shah Pilov means the king's pilaf. Cool name. This is a dish from Azerbaijan. Please check out both the long and short versions of every dish on our world tour. Ilmamado-san from Azerbaijan requested 3 Sisters Dolma, and when I posted that short video, the response from Azerbaijani people was incredible. And the messages are still coming. I was truly moved. So today I'm making Shah Pilov with gratitude to everyone from Azerbaijan. To be honest, this dish was so unknown to me that filming took 4 hours. I also do a live stream while filming. Thank you to everyone who joined today's live. Let's keep cooking. For the first time in my life, Basmati rice and rice with dried fruits. I'll use tortillas instead of lavash, and my dried fruits are a little short. It might be nothing like the authentic one, but I want to try it, so please watch. By the way, here are all the dishes Macho and I have made on our world food tour so far. Day 1 Scotch broth, Day 2 Cranacan, Day 3 Scottish macaroni pie, Day 4 Irish potato cake pasty, Day 5 cottage pie, Day 6 Turkish mantu, pale version, Day 7 mantu, success version, Day 8 beef bourguignon, Day 9 Shah Pilaf. Okay, I talked too much. Let's keep cooking. The filling is ready. Now let's pack it into the mold. Now how do I cut the tortilla? I really hope this works out. Oh, I forgot to butter the case. Let me take the tortilla out and start again. Okay, let's try again. Oh wait, I just remembered. In all the videos I've watched, they brush butter or oil on the lavash every layer. That must be what makes the outside crispy. Let me start over one more time. Now, let's pack the basmati rice and ingredients tightly into the mold. The saffron water should give it a beautiful color. All right, we are ready. Into the oven. It's baked, but the sides aren't golden yet. Let's bake it a little more. This time it looks good. Now let's remove the foil and get the whole thing crispy. It's done. I really hope it's not soggy. Wow, it's golden! Amazing! So, Ohayo Macho and Joe-san. Joe-san, it's so lovely to see you at this time in my morning. Wow! I love the word a star in the heart and a pearl and a smiley and a clover in the hand. Oh, this is my first chance to rest after the art festival opening. Last week I am still quite tired, but catching up on sleep has been so good. Let's cut into it. I think it's perfect. The rice and the filling inside looks so delicious too. Done! Okay, let's eat! Macho! Macho! Delicious! There is so much amazing food in this world. It might be different from the authentic one, but for me, this is a truly wonderful discovery. If the people of Azerbaijan hadn't responded so warmly to my Three Sisters Dolma video, I never would have made this dish. I learned so much from your kindness. People gain strength from making others happy. There's so much amazing food in this world. Someday, I really hope I can travel to all of your places and taste the real thing for myself. That's my dream. If you enjoyed this video, let's keep traveling the world together. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Please leave your recommended dish. I'd love to cook your dish. Thank you so much. 먼저.